Hi guys, rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing the Australian Tries Filipino chocolates. If you have been watching our videos, you guys know that he loves his chocolate, and I have been wanting to do this video for so long, and finally it's happening. So we went to the Philippines end of last year, well, and early this year as well. We also got some here because we have some Filipino shops here. Yeah, so yeah. Are you excited to do this video?
You've got to eat them as well.
I'll try, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of chocolate, so
You can review them as well.
I will review. I already know how it tastes like. So we got these. Now this one is not chocolate. This is not chocolate, babe. This is peanut turon. But yeah, I wanted to include it in the video kasi gusto ko siya i-try. Sweet and crunchy. What are you doing? Ito yung mga itatry ni Dan. So he will be trying all these. Alright, so do you want to start with actually let's start na Choco Mucho. Choco Mucho. So we have two Choco Muchos. So this is milk chocolate. You love all kinds of chocolate, right? Like milk, dark. Yeah. Your favorite is white chocolate, is it?
White chocolate.
Yeah. It has like a crunch to it, guys. Ooh, oh, that looks good. Do you like it?
Yeah. For the Australians, it tastes like a chomp.
Chomp?
Chomp.
What's C-H-O-M-P?
C-H-O, maybe an M, maybe just a P. I can't remember.
Okay.
But it's good though.
It's alright. Yeah, okay, next one will be the Choco Mucho dark chocolate naman itong isa with caramel and cereal crispies. I don't think I will like this.
Why?
Because it's dark. I don't like dark chocolate. Well, I don't like chocolate, but...
You go first this time.
Nah, I don't want it. Oh, it's not as gooey as the other one. It's not as sticky. The caramel inside is not as sticky.
The other one's better.
The other one's better? Why?
More flavour.
So we have the Goya almonds in milk chocolate. So this one is milk chocolate as well. A lot of people like that actually.
I think I'm gonna like all of these.
Of course you will.
I know. I think I'm even gonna get a bad review.
Is it good? What's in it? Almonds?
Yeah. Chocolate's not that bad actually.
It's not that good, that one?
Oh.
Yeah, it's kind of like bland.
Yeah, a bit powdery. No good. Next one, the whiting.
The white chocolate.
Yeah.
I think you will like that one.
I don't know. I reckon it might be.
Yeah, the other one is kind of like
Chaka.
It's bland. Is it good? No, I don't like it.
Nah.
No? You don't like the Goya?
No. Goya, Chaka.
Why? It's just...
Best one so far.
So when I was in college, and if I go on the weekend or like we go grocery shopping, this is like the chocolate that we buy for the family because I don't know, it's good. Tango almond chocolate. I rarely eat chocolate. I only eat chocolate that has almonds in it.
Tell them about my dream job they're advertising this week. They were advertising a job for a chocolate taster.
What chocolate factory is that?
I don't know, it was in England somewhere.
Higgs? No.
No, it wasn't. That was in England.
Cadbury?
No, I don't know.
What chocolate was it?
It was in England.
Show them.
Well, this is not bad. But there's no almonds. So it's almonds. No, seriously, there's no almonds in it.
There's like this much almond. Yeah, it's not like the whole almond. It's not the whole almond, babe. Yeah, maliit siya, guys.
So they advertise with almonds. See? It's got like there's still no almonds. So, not bad chocolate. False advertising. It is false advertising.
Misleading. No, they've got almonds, but not as big as the one in the picture. Like, look at this. Ang lalaki ng almonds. Pero sa totoo, wala. Ano lang siya, parang dinikdik almonds.
Let's get these. What are these?
This is Mr. Yema. So it's not actually a chocolate, but it's sweet. We got this from the Filipino shop here. So we'll see if you like it.
Two shop?
Yeah, I actually like
Which
it.
one?
Cheryl's shop.
Okay.
Yeah, this is good. I'm not sure if you will like it though. But this is really good.
Ah, yeah. I like this.
I like it.
It's like a chocolate eclair.
It's not chocolate.
What's chocolate?
It's not.
Chocolate filling.
It has a chocolate filling. Okay. Okay, I'll give you that. Mmm.
I've had that before.
Have you? Choco mallows. I like this. Paliit na paliit yung choco mallows, no? Ano yun? Liit-liit.
I like these.
Do you remember?
I remember. We got these last year.
Yeah.
Chocolate and marshmallow, great combination.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of chocolate, but I actually like this. They know what it looks like.
Not
Yeah.
all of them do, babe.
So it has a biscuit at the bottom, and then marshmallow, and then coated with chocolate. I still have my yam. Yum. Do you like that? Hello, babe, we didn't give it rating. What would you rate that one?
5.
5? Okay, how about this one? The dark one. Oh no, milk chocolate.
7.
This is out of 10? So you give this a 5 only. And then this is 7. Hello. How about this?
5.
Really? This?
2. 2.
How about the tango almond chocolate, babe?
5.
5? Okay. The yama.
5.
5 as well. Okay.
We got chocolate eclairs like this. They're a bit more tasty.
Okay, this is actually like one of the most famous like Filipino I'm not sure. I think so. Like, you know, I think we all know curly tops. Looks like that. Looks like that. Sobrang cute nila. Oh. Okay, you have to
Peel the paper.
yeah, peel the paper.
Bloody hell.
Such a hard work for chocolate, isn't it? I don't want it.
I'm not feeling it.
You don't like curly tops?
Nah, they're horrible.
No, really? Maybe because you've been drinking your beer?
Nah, the beer's got nothing to do with it. But have a taste.
No, I don't want it.
They're very same as these. Bit
Yeah.
bland, powdery.
Really?
Yeah.
So what would you rate it?
2.
Oh,
2.
curly tops.
Sorry, curly tops. Where are they made?
Sorry, curly tops. Product of the Philippines. Alright, so we're down to 2 guys.
Yeah, these
Actually
ones.
3. Okay.
I'm interested to see these ones.
Yeah. This has been in the drawer for...
Years.
No, not years. Siguro months. Like a long time. Because I was like, we need to film the video. You can't eat that yet. We love this. Honey. Let's show them, babe. Honey. This is made in Imos, Cavite. Cavite? Hala, that is so big. I remember honey being
That's
like...
what she said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you will like this.
I don't think I will.
No, try it. You don't like it? I can smell the peanuts.
It's growing on me.
Yeah? Do you like it?
I wouldn't buy it.
Is it different?
Yeah, is it meant to be like that?
Yeah, it's meant to be like that, yeah. It's different, huh? What would you rate that?
4.
4?
4. We're not doing good Philippines chocolate at the moment.
This one is actually kind of the same as the Choco Mallows, but without the marshmallow.
Okay. I think I like these.
Yeah?
Yeah, these are fine.
Choco Crunchies. Ooh.
That is pretty fancy.
It is,
Like
right?
all the effort just to wrap one of those. I mean, it's just like overproductive.
Maybe because they sell like retail as well, like one for like, I don't know how many pesos. Yeah.
It's good.
It is good.
It'd be good in a coffee.
No.
It will melt and you like suck it off. I'm sure.
No. Yum, right? And even if it's coated with chocolate, the biscuit is still not saggy, it's still crunchy. It's good.
What do you reckon I'll give it?
We'll give it a 10?
No.
A 7.
7. 7.
The last one, this is not a chocolate, but I want you to try this. It's peanut turon. Hi, Danny, you're messing up the focus. Poor me. It looks like this. It looks like a small turon that we eat. The one with the banana and... Why?
You put your hand there.
You're like a kid.
I thought you were going to catch it.
No, because it's so messy.
Oh.
You don't like it?
Oh, it's horrible. 1.
Why?
One.
It's peanut.
Oh. Nah, it's no good. I need to get the taste out of my mouth.
It's like salty and then sweet and then there's peanut. This is something that I will eat, but I can see why you don't like it.
You eat that?
Yeah, but I can see why you don't like it.
Take it to work.
I will.
Yeah. If I was going to have to buy one, I'll buy that one.
Alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
And subscribe to Sissy's channel. Link below.
I love it.
Yay, me Sissy.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Be good. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.